Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to easily create a glowing animated Saber outline effect in After Effects. Let's get started. First we need to mask out the car or any object you want to create the outline around. Start by duplicating the layer and rename it to outline to keep things organized. To mask the object and track the mask accurately, I will use Mocha AE. In Mocha, select the pen tool and draw a mask around the car. The selection does not need to be perfect. Just draw a rough mask like this and leave a small amount of space around the edges. With the selection complete, zoom in and adjust the mask if needed. Once that's done, enable perspective, then click the track forward button and wait for the analysis to finish. After the tracking is complete, check the mask again. If the mask touches the car at any point, make sure to adjust it. Otherwise, the effect may not look correct. When you are done, click Save and close Mocha AE. Under the Mocha effect, expand Matte and click Create AE Masks. Enable the mask and check if it is applied correctly. Once you are satisfied with the result, toggle the mask visibility off so you can clearly see the car. Next, apply Saber to the outline layer. Expand Render Settings and change Composite Settings to Transparent. Next, expand Customize Core and change Core Type to Layer Masks. You can now adjust the look of the Saber by choosing a preset. I will set it to thin. Next, change the color. I will set it to white. Under Customize Core, set Start Size to 0%, End Size to 150%, End Offset to 60%. Now let's animate the Saber effect. Move to the beginning of the layer and click the Mask Evolution stopwatch to create a keyframe. Next, go to the end of the layer and change Mask Evolution to 1 time to create 1 full rotation of the Saber. If you want more rotations, you can increase the value. For example, set it to 3 times to make the Saber rotate 3 times. Let's preview the effect, and we are done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.